Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 15 of the Wera advent calendar. Last time we opened the 1x50 Phillips bit. Now let's see what's behind number 15 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And this one's just giving me a little bit of a hard time to get out of the plastic. And what we have is the number 8 quarter-inch socket. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 16. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.